house of Churi is just coming and giving the treatment straight away while picking the length by Asif and dispatching into the corner. What a half a dozen. Club 96 gets a tremendous start with that 6 from Shani Churi. First ball maximum. കേരളത്തിൽ അങ്ങോളം ഇങ്ങോളം ശക്തമായി മഴ പെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു കാലാവസ്ഥയിൽ നമ്മൾ അതിന്റെ കനിവ് കാത്തുകൊണ്ടൊരു പ്രീമിയർ ലീഗ്. മഴയെ കാത്ത് നിരവധി കുടുംബങ്ങൾ, നിരവധി വ്യക്തികൾ ഒരു കടും വരൾച്ചയുടെ ആ ഒരു തോതിലേക്ക് മലബാർ കടന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു അവസ്ഥയിൽ മഴ അനുഗ്രഹമായി, നാടിന് ഭൂമിക്ക് അനുഗ്രഹമായി, സൃഷ്ടാവിന്റെ അനുഗ്രഹമാണ് മഴ എന്ന് നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഒരുപോലെ ആഘോഷിച്ച് വിശ്വസിക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിനിടയിലും ആവേശം ചോരാത്ത ആ ഒരു ക്രിക്കറ്റ് അതിനിടെ സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് ടു ദ ഫീൽഡ് ആൻഡ് ടേക്കൻ ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുള്ളി. Anwar makes no mistakes and that's a wicket. First one goes down. Is 8 for the loss of 1 by Club 96. Brilliant delivery, some movement from the track after a heavy rain. It gives a little bit extra bit of bounce for Asif and he using the condition really well. Excellent 2 balls after the rain by Asif. 8 for the loss of 1 after 1 by Club 96 Budhirka. Little difficult condition to play cricket, but everyone united for brings a successful tournament under the banner of MCC Dubai. MCC Dubai കാസർഗോഡിന്റെ ക്രിക്കറ്റിനെ ശക്തമായി ചലിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സംഘടനയുടെ പേര്. 2008 ആരംഭിച്ച ഈ ഒരു വലിയ ജേർണി MCC എന്ന ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ക്ലബ്ബ് ദുബായിൽ കാസർഗോഡിലെ താരങ്ങൾക്ക് വിവിധ വലിയ വേദികളിൽ അവസരങ്ങൾ നൽകിക്കൊണ്ട് കാസർഗോഡിന്റെ താരങ്ങളെ ലോകമെമ്പാടും പ്രസിദ്ധരാക്കി മാറ്റാൻ വേണ്ടി യത്നിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ക്ലബ്ബ്. Yasir Arafat comes and straight away receiving. Little miss it from Shani Churi and goes straight back to the bowler Yasir Arafat. And didn't expect but very well controls the situation. And that is a wicket number 2. Both openers gone from 96. Varis Bediadika comes in. Looks to be a good depth in batting for the team, Club 96. Another genuine opener comes down. The order for the team 96, Bediadika. Lovely, that's a beauty from Yasir Arafat. Bowlers are having some advantage and they were ready to use the conditions. That's a brilliant connection from Varis. He was waiting for that length and absolutely well treated over the corner floodlight. And Varis Grameen, the man strikes with that productive runs. 14 എത്തുന്നു scoreboard Club 96. Catch is a call, taken brilliantly by Afri. And there it is, second wicket for Yasir Arafat. Brilliant piece of bowling display from Yasir Arafat, the batting all-rounder from Kasaragod. Very well-known name in tennis ball arena of Kerala. Yasir Arafat gaining success in back-to-back time, picking wickets. Sadhu joins. Trying to punch, and it will be just nothing, turning out to be a really special one for the bowling department. 14 for 3, last ball of the second over. Lovely pace generate and hitting in the right channel, and that produced some bounce. Excellent over comes to an end from Yasir Arafat, and that will be the end of 2. 14 for 3, Club 96 Bediadika. Saipu Ghazam there standing along with Sadat Sadhu, and both are capable to bring a decent score for the team, Club 96. Fighting against the difficult conditions by the batters of Club 96. Afri coming into the action. Using his variation straight away by Afri Talangara. And bringing on the beautiful channel. Start nicely by the young talented. And Sadat, the expert on the other side. Trying to cut straight to the field. Little bit confusion. Top of the stumps, and Yunus says nothing. He's so perfect there with his vision. What an attacking execution from the fielders. Things all looks to be very well under control by the team in bowling department. Bask Bedira, they are dominating. To the onside, looks to be one for the batters, and easily gathered by the fielder. Just allowed a single travel. Saipu Ghazam is on strike. India straight up and Afri makes no mistakes, and that's a wicket. Successful time for the bowlers. They were enjoying to bowl in these conditions, and a little bit tough time for the batters. All the big hitters, they were going back. Lefty joins. Shabir MCC, a very well known player, especially in GCC. Setting the fielders in the right. Good variation from Afri that continues, bringing it in a slow way, using the back of the finger to rolling it onto the track, and he producing success in back-to-back time. Smart piece of execution again from Afri. Oh, little confusion there, and no chance to move. Everything tightening really well by Yasir Arafat and Afri with the back-to-back overs. 3 done, 16 for a loss of 4. Just 2 came from the last over of Afri. Looks to be a really good one, and toss will be very important. And the team Bask Bedra won the toss, and they were elected to bowl first. Ajmal Kaja coming. Punts that one straight to the field. All little mistakes there. That's an important boundary in an important time for the team. Club 96 Badiadika. Beautifully struck. Trying to find a gap by Sadhu and beats the fielder. Straight down on the ground. Catches a call. Well, handled it really well by the fielder, and it will be just a single. It is 21 runs, left and right hand combination of Club 96 Badiadika, ready to take the stage with the partnership. They are ready to stick the partnership right in the middle. Through the legs, and this time it will be a leg by signal, receiving from the center, and the batters moves between the wickets. 22. We are in the 4th over. That's a beautiful shot. Pick up looks really well, and catch looks gorgeous. Man makes no mistakes. Man makes some brilliance over there in the widest log of region. That brings the wickets of Sadat Sadhu gone back. Taps it through the onside by Rahman, the new batter. Straight to the mid wicket, and Saf brings it straight away off the mark, and brings the strike back to Shabi. Last ball of the over. Straight to the field, no chance to move. Really good piece of over comes to an end from Ajmal Khaja, and that will be the end of 4 overs. 23 for the loss of 5. Club 96 ബദിയെടുക്കുക. 23 റൺസുകൾ ഒരു ഫൈറ്റിംഗ് ടോട്ടലിന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള ഒരു ഫൈറ്റ് ക്ലബ് 96 ബദിയെടുക്കുക. ഈ ഒരു കണ്ടീഷനിൽ ഒരു ആവറേജ് ടോട്ടൽ പോലും മികച്ച ബോളിംഗ് നിരക്ക് പ്രതിരോധിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കുമെന്ന വിശ്വാസത്തിൽ ആ ഒരു സ്കോറിന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള യാത്ര ക്ലബ് 96 തുടരാൻ ആഗ്രഹിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് മുന്നേറുകയാണ്. Oh, there it is, an edge. Mujib Rahman comes. And straight away nothing for the batters. Oh, there it is, a quick movement from the batters. Gets a single. Working really well by all the bowlers. Anything above 30 will be a challenging score that expecting by the camp of Club 96. Wide down the leg stump of the left hand. Extra run added to the scorecard. It's 25. There is 4 balls left from the innings. Taps it through the onside, and there it is, a field right in the circle. Single more. Every run is a matter. Brilliant piece of bowling, and easily works on the other side by the batter. റൺസുകൾ അവസാന 2 പന്തുകളിലേക്ക്. Big swing, completely missed that one by the batter Shabir MCC. And the ball rests in the hands of Yasir Arafat. Mujib is ready to bring the curtain falling delivery of the innings. Straight to the field, only one. That will be the end of the innings. Innings number 1 comes to an end. 28 runs on card and 29 to chase for the team Basque Bedira. നാലാമത്തെ മത്സരത്തിന്റെ ടോസിനുള്ള സമയം കൂടിയാണ്. I welcoming the captain of Mehfin Chembarika and Ceylon Sporting. ഇരു ടീമിന്റെയും ക്യാപ്റ്റൻസ് എത്രയും പെടുന്ന ടോസിന് വേണ്ടി റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. Ceylon Sporting and Mehfin Chembarika. Captains are welcome for the toss. പുഞ്ചിരി നഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്ന അവസ്ഥ ഫീൽഡേഴ്സിന്. പുഞ്ചിരിയുടെ കൈകളിൽ നിന്ന് പന്ത് പഴുതുന്നു. There is a big chance to bring a big smile on the face. Waris Gramina straight away creating the opportunity. Such a destructive opener. Yasir Arafat get a lifeline coming with around the wicket on this occasion. Oh, that's a brilliant cricket. Plan was changed by Yasir Arafat, just tapping through the onside. വിവിധ പ്രദേശങ്ങളിൽ നിന്ന് ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ആസ്വദിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് യൂട്യൂബിലൂടെ മത്സരങ്ങൾ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ട് GCC കൺട്രീസിലടക്കം ആവേശപൂർവ്വം ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ആരാധകർ MCCയുടെ ഒരു ടൂർണമെന്റ് ആകുമ്പോൾ അത് ആസ്വദിക്കാൻ എന്നത്തെയും പോലെ തയ്യാറെടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ആരാധകർ അവരിൽ ഒരാളായി Mohammad Takrar from Saudi is watching and wishing all the very best. Ansaf on strike. Trying to hammer, trying to treat on the top of the bounce by Ansaf, but not getting the right connection there. Plan was good from Waris, looks to be a promising start. Oh man, missed it. Well, what a pace, what an absolute pace loading by Waris on this occasion. This will be a thriller for sure. What a 5 balls by Waris. 1 for none by the team. Taps it through the onside. Well. A superb over comes to an end from Waris Gramina. Only 1 came from the first over. It is 1 for none after 1. Boss Bedira, while chasing the target of 29, only 1 gets from the first over. They need 28 runs to win. What an interesting scenario. 28 വേണം ഇനി 4 ഓവറുകളിൽ നിന്ന്. Single run came from the first over. Sadat Sadhu, another all-round cricketer, is coming into the action to load the second over. Expectation, that experience with the first over by the bowling side and keeping all the wickets, cutting some load. Well, there it is. Ansaf, little tough time I mentioned in the earlier innings for the batters. That continues. What a perfect precision of bowling, that keeping with some excellent length and line. With the first 7 balls of this innings, looks standard. This is Yasir Arafat for you. He loves the difficult conditions. When the things and condition goes difficult, this man comes as a crisis manager. What a batter. Pulls it into the square leg region for half a dozen. 7 on card. Run a ball 22. Arafat sings again, little early sing. And he just makes a little bit variation by Sadat. Beautifully back with a golden dot ball. Every dot ball just like a goal for the bowling side to defend this kind of target. Trying to pull. No reaction there. Well, this is interesting bowling display. That exactly is showcasing by the bowlers. That 1-6 giving the confidence for the batters, but all other things happening in favor of the bowling side. Very well controlled delivery by Sadat. He is cutting the pace of the ball and working wonderfully with the line and length of the delivery in front of Yasir Arafat. He is a staggering genius of a batter. 2 decades of experience in tennis ball cricket by Yasir Arafat. Final delivery of the over. Need to load the last one. Whites are very crucial, and there it is. One more run that brings 8 on card. 8-ലേക്ക് എത്തുന്നു. സ്കോർ ബോർഡ് ഇനി വേണ്ടത് 19-21. Another one even bigger and better as he started the over superbly and he finished the over such a magnificent way in Yasir Arafat style, and game under controlling by the batting side, I can say, because 2 sixes in this over that brings 14 on card, and there it is 15 required from 18 balls of cricket. 15 madini 18 keeping all 10 wickets in hand. This is the plan of the batter, singing for big intent, and 2 of them connect really well. That's enough to reach the target in first 2 overs. Samir Punjiri coming into the action. No fielder in that region. One bounce after that travels to the boundary for 4, and Ansab joins the party along with Yasir Arafat, and the crowds are on in the dugout. The teammates are celebrating with some claps and support. They know they are in the driving seat of the game. Pressure that humongously mountain in the bowling department right now that we can feel. 18 on card. 11 runs of matter from 17. Need to load again. Wide for sure. Way from the tall man. Just a connection. No, it from the legs, leg by signal received there. Another single, 20 runs on card. Just 9 runs away the destination of team Bask Bedira. What a power! What a quality to dispatch the ball into the nets of Lords. Such a staggering genius, Yasir Arafat. 6 number 3. 3 runs away to the destination. Arafat finishes in style, just like Virat Kohli finishes for RCB in the final, and Arafat finishes for the team with that tremendous quality 6. And what a batter who just making some noise with his wooden piece are speaking. Wonderful victory, and the player of the match award goes to none other than Yasir Arafat, the player of the match award winner. Congratulations.